Dear friend, let us solve for a. If 2 times square root a times square root a is equal to a. Let's start solution. Here we can find the value of a by using three different methods. First method. Here a is given that 2 times square root a times square root a equal to a. Next, by dividing 2 on both sides. So this become 2 times square root a under root a divided by 2 is equal to a by 2. Now this become square root a times square root a is equal to a by 2. Next, now by squaring both sides, this become square root a times square root a whole square is equal to a by 2 whole square. Now square with begins by square root, so this become a times square root a equal to this become a square divided by 2 square. Next this become a times square root a equal to a square by 4. Again by squaring both sides, so this become a times under root a whole square equal to a square by 4 whole square. So this become a square into square root a whole square. This become a square whole square divided by 4 square. Now this become a square times this will be cancelled. This become a equal to this become 2 times 2 divided by 4 square become 16. Now as we know that a power m a power n, we can add the power of same base. This become m plus n. Now a square plus 1, here the power of a is 2, here the power of a is 1, equal to a 4 by 16. Next, now this become a cube is equal to a 4 by 16. Next, by cross multiplication, so we have 16a cube equal to a4. We can write this as a4 is equal to 16a cube. Next, by rearranging, by moving this 16a cube from right hand side to left hand side, this become a4 minus 16a cube equal to 0. Here this become by taking highest common, that is a cube, into left hand term is a minus 16 equal to 0. Now here a cube equal to 0 or a minus 16 equal to 0. So it means that a equal to 0, a cube equal to 0, a equal to 0, here a equal to 16. So we have two value of a1 is 0 and a2 is 16. Now we move toward the second method. as given that 2 times square root a into a equal to a. Now this become 2 times, here the power of square root is, the value of square root is 1 by 2 equal to a. Next, here 2 times a into the value of square root is 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 is equal to, now this become 2 times a power 1 by 2 and also a power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 equal to a. Now as we know that a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So this become 2 times a power 1 by 2 into a power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to a. Now 2 times a power 1 by 2 times this become 1 1 is 1, 2 times 2 become 4 equal to a. Now by dividing to both sides, so this become 2 times a power 1 by 2 a power 1 by 4 divided by 2, here on right hand side a divided by 2. So cancelling the like term, the lifting term is a power 1 by 2 a power 1 by 4 is equal to a by 2. Now as a power m a power n, this become a power m plus n. So here this become a power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 a by 2. Now this become, by taking LCM, 4 is LCM, this is 2 plus 1 is equal to a by 2. Now this become a power 3 by 4 equal to a by 2. Now raise power 4 on both sides. So this become a power 3 by 4 whole power 4 is equal to a by 2 whole power 4. Now this become a power 3 by 4 into 4 equal to, this become a power 4 divided by 2 power 4. Now this will be cancelled, the lifting term is a cube is equal to a power 4, 2 power 4 times means 16. Now by cross multiplication we have 16 a cube is equal to a power 4. Next we can write this as a power 4 is equal to 16 a cube. Now move this term on left hand side, this become minus 16 a cube equal to 0. Now by taking highest common, that is a cube, the lifting term is a minus 16 equal to 0. Here we have two possibilities, a cube equal to 0, a minus 16 equal to 0. Here a equal to 0, a equal to 16. Here we have two values, that is a1 equal to 0 and a2 is equal to 16. This is our final answer.